Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use BeReal Camera. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your BeReal application to get started. Also make sure that you are logged into the account if necessary. The application's main feature is a daily notice that prompts user to post a selfie and a random snapshot of their surroundings. Simply tap on Take Your BeReal in order to open up your camera. As you can see that a camera is popping up in my display. Simply go ahead and take a snapshot by tapping on the circle at the bottom. Now soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the two image collages automatically popped up. This is taken from the user's front and back cameras and is available for sharing for 2 minutes. After you take your BeReal, tap on the send button in order to send it to your profile, or you can also select whom you'd like to share your BeReal with. In my case, I've set it to my friends only. If you tap on that option, you can also set it for discovery page. Soon after you select discovery, you'll be able to share your BeReal with everyone on the BeReal app. Now, simply tap on the send button and that way, you can easily use your BeReal camera to take a snap and post it on your BeReal app. That is how you'll be able to use your BeReal camera. You can now also add a caption by tapping on this add a caption option and typing your caption in the text box and post it on your BeReal by tapping the little send button at the right corner. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.